of American minorities.
Mr. President, the right to self-determination is a fundamental principle of human rights law. Enjoyment of all civil, political, economic, social and cultural rights depends on the realization of the right to self-determination. For the very reason, the common Article 1 of the Chapter of the United Nations and both the International Covenants of Civil and Political Rights and Economic, Social and Cultural Rights refer to this premonitory norm. For decades, this right has led millions of people across the globe to find their destinies. United Nations is beneficiary. A large number of present membership of the United Nations is beneficiary of this right. Unfortunately, however, there continues to be areas which remain under foreign occupation. Two of the most prominent cases in this aspect are the occupied Palestinian territories and the Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir, where the right to self-determination is illegally and unjustly suppressed by the occupational regimes. Resultantly, people of these areas are unable to freely determine their political status and pursue economic, social and cultural development. Mr. President, understandingly, denial of the rights of self-determination has resulted in massive human rights violations. In the case of Indian occupied Kashmir, the United Nations Security Council has passed numerous resolutions giving the people their right to self-determination. The resolutions were agreed upon both India and Pakistan. Over the last 2 decades, Indian security forces have played havoc with the lives of innocent Kashmiris. Innocent incidents of massive human rights abuses and violations have been documented in detail, both the national and international NGOs. The sorry part was the Indian occupational forces, but the response of international community that continues ignoring its human rights obligation over political considerations. Had the United Nations and the international community realized their obligation, there were chances to save thousands of human lives from death, torture and destruction. I thank you, Mr. President.